nervous system, receives the penis during sexual intercourse and holds the sperm until they pass the uterus. Receives the penis during sexual intercourse. Ba't doon ganun yung choices? Hi everyone! Denver here, and for today's video, sasagot tayo ng online quiz, yung mga nauusong online quiz sa Facebook. So may nakita akong questions about science. May 5 na categories para anatomy, astronomy, biology, chemistry, and physics. Now, try nating sagutan. Hindi ko pa nakita yung questions, first time ko palang bubuksan. So talagang ayan, baka nahaban ako, baka mabagsak tayo sa quiz. Nakakaya. Okay, so ito yung quiz. 5 na quiz. Anatomy, astronomy, biology, chemistry, and physics. Kasi these are questions by Neil Kavinsky. Now, ito-try natin sagutan. And so, syempre, sige, unahin ko sana yung physics kasi yun yung strong point ko. Pero try natin muna yung anatomy. Titignan natin. And loading. Alright. Nabahan ako, baka ma-zero ako dito. Transportation system of the body. Nervous, cardiovascular, reproductive. Transportation system. Nervous. Ang nasa isip ko circulatory pero walang circulatory. Blood production, maintenance of fluid balance, and defense against diseases. I think circulatory, respiratory, digestive, urinary, hematopoietic, lymphatic system. I think yun. Communication between and coordination of all body systems. Nervous system, receives the penis during sexual intercourse and holds the sperm until they pass the uterus. Receives the penis during sexual intercourse. Ba't doon ganun yung choices? Protects against the damage. Anong damage? Integumentary system. The process of combining male gamete or sperm with the female gamete or ovum. Photosynthesis, fertilization, respiration. Blood clotting or cover the bleeding when injured. Platelets. A muscular organ about the size of a fist, located just behind, slightly left of the breastbone. Of course, that's the heart. It's also called the voice box. Larynx. Tama ba? It's made out of the brain and spinal cord. Nervous system. Central nervous system. Okay, so tignan natin yung score natin. View score. So, score natin sa anatomy, 90/100. Anong wrong ko? Yung first. Transportation system of the body. Cardiovascular. Oo nga. Cardiovascular, circulatory. Ayan. And the rest, tama naman. Okay. So, anatomy, 9/10. Okay. So, next test, astronomy. Ayan, yung questions. Alright. First question, how many planets are there in the solar system? 8. What is the Martian atmosphere mostly composed of? Of course, hindi argon. Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, I think Venus. Pero, pwede din, carbon dioxide. Also called the shooting star, meteor. Planets in our solar system do not have moons. Yung walang moon, Mercury and Venus. The name of the spacecraft to first orbit the Earth. Sputnik, Voyager, Apollo 11. Naalala ko to sa let eh. Wait, ang Voyager, ang alam ko Venus to. Apollo is moon, so Sputnik. Which planets are gaseous planets? Ayun. Which planet is now classified as a dwarf planet? Pluto. First man in space. Yuri Gagarin. First man to walk on the moon, Neil Armstrong. If 24 hours in 24 hours, Earth rotates. A planet outside the solar system is also known as exoplanet. Nebula comes from the Latin word cloud. Kasi, ayun, they initially thought it was a cloud. Who invented the telescope? Galileo Galilei. According to books, pero may controversy na may mas naunang nag-invent ng telescope. Anyway, what is at the center of each galaxy? Supermassive black hole. Kasi parang star system stars. The closest galaxy to the Milky Way, Andromeda. Okay. So, dapat perfect ko to kasi nagturo ako ng Earth Science. Oh, perfect. Alright. Okay, Astronomy 150 over 150. Next. Alright, next. Chemistry. Parang medyo basic naman yung questions. So, sana sa chemistry basic din yung questions. Pang junior high. Pang grade 8. Alright. A change in properties such as texture, shape, and state. Physical change. On chemical substance is transformed to another chemical change. Solid to gas. Sublimation. Liquid to gas. Evaporation. Gas to liquid. Condensation. Made out of two or more different elements. Compound. Anything that occupies space and has mass and inertia. Matter. Combination of two or more substances. Wait. Mixture? Medyo ano yung mga definition. Stable subatomic particle with a charge of negative electricity. Electron, an atom or molecule carries an electric charge. Ayun. Okay, so tignan natin. Medyo ano yung mga terms, tas yung definition. Parang medyo basic, kaya parang nakukulangan ako. Pero, score... Perfect. Ayun. 10 over 10. Okay, last. Okay, last na physics. So far, anatomy, isang mistake. Pero technically, ano naman, tama ko sana yun. Astronomy, biology, chemistry, perfect. Tingnan natin yung physics. Dapat perfect ko din to. Kinabahan ako. Alright. States that any object in motion will continue to move in the same direction. First law of motion. A force caused when a mass of physical bodies attract each other. A force caused when the mass of physical bodies attract each other. Gravity. The energy that is stored in an object due to its position relative to some zero position. Potential energy. Temperature scale is called the absolute scale. Kelvin. The measurement of change in an object's velocity. It is equal to the change in velocity over the change in time. Acceleration. Newton is a unit of force. Form of energy that an object or a particular has by reason of its motion. Kinetic energy states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Third law of motion, also called the law of acceleration. Second law of motion, the branch of science that deals with the structure of matter, of fundamental physics. Easy. Oh? Wait lang, anong score mo? Ayun, 10 over 10. Okay, so technically, madali lang naman yung quizzes. Sabi ko nga parang pang grade 7 or grade 8. Scores, summary, anatomy, isang mistake. Astronomy perfect, biology perfect, chemistry perfect, physics perfect. Dapat lang, di ba? Science major ako tapos mababagsak ako sa mga to. Anyway, ayun, so that's for our video today. Maghanap ulit tayo ng ibang quizzes.